Hello everybody, welcome back to the informative world. So as you all know that our today's topic is tenses, so we are going to begin with that. Okay? So this is very important topic. Okay? So you must know tenses because if you don't know this topic, you will not be able to understand any topic in grammar. So it is necessary for each one of us to understand tenses because they are extremely important. So we must know tenses in order to speak proper English. Okay, in order to communicate with one another in proper English. Okay. So let's begin with tenses. So before I begin, I would like to tell you that we are going to study about simple and continuous tenses in this video. Okay? If you face any doubt, you can tell us through commenting. Feel free to comment. Okay. And also, before beginning, I would like to tell you that this video is prepared by The Informative World. Okay. Okay. So, before I begin with tenses, we must know what are tenses. Okay. So, tenses are the forms of verb. So, they are the forms of verb. Okay. They are nothing but forms of verb. वो verb के forms हैं. They indicate the time when a particular thing is going to take place or action. तो वो उस टाइम के बारे में बात करते हैं जब कोई पर्टिकुलर इवेंट होता है. ठीक है, किसी पर्टिकुलर इवेंट के होने का टाइम. ठीक है, किसी पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटी के होने का टाइम, किसी पर्टिकुलर एक्शन के होने का टाइम. तो वो उस टाइम की बात करते हैं. ओके, टेंसेस टॉक अबाउट व्हेन अ पर्टिकुलर थिंग or action is going to take place or is taking place. So in grammar there are three main tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, so they are the three main tenses. ठीक है, they are the three main tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, so let's begin with simple tenses. They are very simple. Okay, let's begin with simple tenses. 1 minute. Okay, simple tenses. So let's begin with this. Yes. Okay, simple present. This tense is used to show daily routine, permanent truths and habit. So simple present tense tells us about someone's daily routine, permanent truths, science facts, right? And somebody's habit. Daily routine, like Rina jogs every morning. So this is her daily routine, to jog every morning. Permanent truth, the earth revolves around the sun. So this is a permanent truth. It cannot be changed. It cannot be converted. Isn't it? So it's a permanent truth. Habit. So she loves to eat candy. She likes to eat candy. So this is her habit, to eat candies. So helping verbs used here are do, does, is, am, are and has and have. ठीक है, जो यहाँ पे हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज की जाती हैं दे आर, यस, जो हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स इधर यूज की जाती हैं दे आर डू, डस, इज, एम, आर, हैज एंड हैव. तो दे आर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज्ड इन सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. ठीक है, what is the formula to convert a particular sentence to simple present? ठीक है, add s. ठीक है, formula add s or es to the root form of verb with singular subject. Do not add s or es with plural subjects. ठीक है, formula is nothing but rules. ठीक है, जो formula है वो rules हैं. Okay everybody, so 1 minute. Yes, s es to the root form of verb with singular subject. Singular subject यानी only one subject. So you have to add s or es to the root form of verb whenever your subject is one. That means whenever your subject is singular, then only you are going to add s or es to the root form of verb. Okay? Otherwise, don't add s or es anything to the root form of verb if your subject is plural. That means if your subjects are many, then no need to add s or es. Otherwise, everything will go wrong. ठीक है. So 1 minute. Yes. ठीक है. So root form of verb के साथ s और es जोड़ना है. So add s और es to the root form of verb. ठीक है. root form of verb with singular subjects. अगर आपका सब्जेक्ट एक है, ठीक है, with one subject. Okay, one subject, root form of verb plus es and s, यानी कि with singular subject the root form of verb is going to become plural. Okay, the verb will become plural. I hope this much is understood. With plural subject it is opposite. With plural subject you are not going to add any s or es to the root form of verb. ठीक है, don't do this with plural subjects. Okay, so here a few examples are listed. Reena goes to school every day. Did you notice something here? This is Reena's daily routine to go to school every day. ठीक है. So you can see Reena is one subject. That means singular subject. So you can see we added es to the root form of verb. हमने go में es लगा दिया. Okay. She loves to eat cherry. Again she is singular. So we added s to the root form of verb. It became loves. ठीक है. She loves to eat cherry. Okay. All the singular subjects है ना, जैसे pronouns आपके जो हो गए, all the pronouns used for singular subjects, he, she, it, है ना, with them you are going to add s or es to the root form of verb. I hope this is understood. Okay. Mira's voice is very sweet. You must have noticed that is used in present continuous mostly. जो is है उसका प्रयोग present continuous में ज़्यादातर किया जाता है. But we have used is here. तो is here in this sentence is the main verb. ठीक है, यहाँ is main verb कहलाएगा. ठीक है, यहाँ is जो है वो हमारी main verb है. What is this? Main verb. Okay. We haven't used any action verb. अगर हमने कोई action verb यूज की होती तो फिर हमारी मेन वर्ब वो एक्शन वर्ब होती. क्यों? लेकिन यहाँ पे इस सेंटेंस में कोई एक्शन वर्ब नहीं है, इसी कारण हमारा जो मेन वर्ब है वो हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, विच इज. ओके, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस थिंग कि whenever any action verb is not there, then the main verb will be your helping verb. और यहाँ हम कोई एक्शन वर्ब ऐड भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर हमने कोई एक्शन वर्ब यहाँ ऐड की तो हमें उसमें ing लगाना पड़ जाएगा. तो ऐसे दिस सेंटेंस विल बिकम प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस. बट आई डोंट वांट दिस, है ना, आई डोंट वांट दिस कि ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस बने. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैवंट एडेड एनी एक्शन वर्ब ओवर हियर, because if I am gonna add any action verb over here, then I will have to add ing to it. ठीक है, so it will go in present continuous form. I am a teacher, same here, am is the main verb here because here no action verb is there. They are writers. ठीक है, I के साथ हमेशा am यूज किया जाएगा. Always remember this thing. They are writers. They प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है. दे जो है प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है, तो इसके साथ वी आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू यूज आर. एंड सेम थिंग विथ आर टू. R is the main verb here because here no action verb is there. अगर action verb होती तो we have to add ing to it. ठीक है, we will have to add ing to it. Earth revolves around the sun. Earth is a singular subject, so we added s to the root form of verb. Okay. I have 20 rupees. Have and has का जो इस्तेमाल होता है वो परफेक्ट टेंसेस में होता है. अगर मैं यहाँ कोई एक्शन वर्ब लगाऊंगी तो मुझे वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना पड़ेगा. इजंट इट? मुझे यहाँ वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना पड़ेगा तो वो परफेक्ट टेंस में चला जाएगा. ठीक है, वो परफेक्ट टेंस में चला जाएगा. दैट इज वाई आई डिड नॉट पुट एनी एक्शन वर्ब ओवर हेयर. ठीक है, तो हेयर हैव इज माई मेन वर्ब. सेम थिंग विथ हैज टू. ही हैज अ चॉकलेट. ठीक है, ही जो है आपका सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है. ठीक है, दैट इज वाई वी हैव यूज हैज ओवर, इसलिए हमने यहाँ हैज यूज किया है. ठीक है, सिंगुलर प्रोनाउंस के साथ हमेशा हैज यूज किया जाता है. अगेन द सेम थिंग एवरीबडी, वी डोंट हैव एनी एक्शन वर्ब हेयर, है ना, क्योंकि हमें फिर वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म लगाना पड़ेगा सीधे उसको परफेक्ट टेंस में लाने के लिए, क्योंकि हैज के साथ हमेशा परफेक्ट टेंस यूज होता है ना. सो दैट इज वाई आई डिड नॉट put any action verb over here. So here has is my main verb. She does her work on time. Again, she is my singular subject. So I added es to the root form of verb. My root form or bare form was do and I added es to it. Does her work on time. ठीक है, let's move ahead. So this is simple past tense. It is as easy as this thing. क्या बोलते हैं अपना simple present की तरह ही है ये भी. Here also some rules are there that you need to remember while converting a particular sentence to simple past. Okay, simple past tense. So this tense is used to show events and actions that already took place. तो ये उन इवेंट्स या एक्टिविटीज की बात करता है जो पहले ही हो गए थे. ठीक है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स आर वॉज, वर एंड डिड. इधर डिड भी ऐड कर लीजिए. वॉज, वर एंड डिड. फॉर्मूला इज add d or ed to the root form of verb if required. Otherwise write the past form of verb. ठीक है, जो अगर रिक्वायर है, अगर आपको लगता है कि यहाँ ई या ईडी, डी या ईडी ऐड करना है तो ही ऐड कीजिए, वरना राइट द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. लाइक फ्लाई के साथ हम ईडी नहीं जोड़ सकते हैं या डी नहीं जोड़ सकते हैं. इट विल बी रॉन्ग. ठीक है, फ्लाई का अपना पास्ट फॉर्म है विच इज फ्लू. So write that. Okay. Examples are given here as follows. Okay. Helping verbs I have already told was, were and did. Examples. We were at home alone. देखो were का use past continuous tense में किया जाता है. Again any action verb is not here. क्योंकि अगर मैंने यहाँ कोई action verb लगाई तो मुझे उसमें ing ऐड करना पड़ जाएगा. That is why वर इज माई मेन वर्ब है. जो मेरा वर है वो यहाँ मेरा मेन वर्ब है. ठीक है, माई हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज माई मेन वर्ब है. ठीक है, बिकॉज हेयर नो एक्शन वर्ब इज देयर. ठीक है, वी वर एट होम अलोन. ठीक है, हम अपने घर पर अकेले थे. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन. आई वॉज वेल अंटिल आई गॉट अफेक्टेड फ्रॉम द वायरस. Always remember that with I you are going to use was. I के साथ हमेशा was ही आएगा. Okay. I did my breakfast yesterday. Okay. So did is the past form of do and does. ठीक है. Did, do and does का past form है. I did my breakfast yesterday. मैंने अपना breakfast कल किया था. I ate dal and rice in the morning. So you can see eat's past form is ate. My relative died yesterday. So die I added D to it. है ना? I added D to the root form of verb, which was die, so it became died. The bird flew in the sky. Fly का past form flew है. I told you already in the beginning of the video, if you remember. Okay. I prayed for their well-being. So here pray is my root form of verb and I added ed to it. ठीक है. I was a teacher at Manohar Play School. So was again is used in past continuous tense, right? So here our main verb is was. Here is no action verb, so our main verb is was. Let's move ahead. Okay. Simple future tense. So this tense is used. 1 minute. Let me shift this thing. Okay. Yes. Okay. This tense is used to show those events or actions which will take place in future. Okay. तो ये उन इवेंट्स की बात करता है जो फ्यूचर में होंगे, जो आगे होंगे, आने वाले समय में होंगे. They will happen in the coming time. Okay. They have not taken place till yet, but they will be taking place. ठीक है. They will take place in the future. They will take place in the future. Okay. So this is simple future tense. So formula is add will after the subject. You have to add will after the subject. And one more thing you have to do, which I forgot to mention. Do not add any letter to the root form of verb. Let the root form of verb as it is. Write the root form of verb as it is. Okay. So add will after the subject. Okay. Will is used with both plural and singular subjects. Okay. Both plural and singular subjects. Okay. will दोनों सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स के साथ यूज किया जाता है. और हाँ, जब भी हम सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस में किसी सेंटेंस को लिखेंगे तो हम सब्जेक्ट के बाद विल ऐड करेंगे और रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब को रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब ही लिखेंगे. ठीक है. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड एनी लेटर बिसाइड रूट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ठीक है. सो राइट द root form of verb. I hope this is understood by you. Okay. So helping verbs here are will and will be. Okay. Examples: I will be alone at home after my parents leave. Will be is used in future continuous tense. You know that I haven't used any action verb here because if I'm going to use, I have to add ing to it. So it will become future continuous tense. That is why here our helping verb is the main verb. क्योंकि यहाँ कोई भी action verb नहीं है. That is why will be our main verb. Same here. I will be home very soon. Same thing here also. It will rain tomorrow. अगर इधर ऐसे कह दिया जाए it will rain tomorrow, it will rain tomorrow, wrong. ठीक है. Here you have to write only the root form of verb. कल बारिश होगी. I will go to the park. ठीक है. I was my subject. I added will to it, which is my helping verb. ठीक है. Okay. And yes. And to the root form of verb, I did not added anything, which is go. ठीक है. I added the root form of verb. Misha will eat chocolate. Misha is my subject. Singular subject, plural subject. Will is only going to come. Will is my helping verb. Eat is my root form of verb. ठीक है. Bare form of verb. I hope this much is understood by you all. Any doubt, please tell me. Okay. Yes. Okay. Continuous tense. Now let's begin with continuous tense. Present continuous tense. So this tense is used to show the event or action which is taking place or going on. तो ये टेंस उन इवेंट्स की बात करता है जो चल रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, जो जारी होते हैं, ठीक है, जो अभी चल रहे होते हैं, ओके, जो प्रोग्रेस में होते हैं, ये उन एक्शंस की बात करता है. सो दिस टेंस talks about those events or actions which are going on right now at this particular time. Like I'm teaching tenses. ठीक है, मैं अभी पढ़ा रही हूँ. I am teaching it right now. So this is present continuous. Helping verbs used here are is, am and are. Again, I would like to tell you, is used with singular subjects like he, she, it. Okay. Am is always used with I. ठीक है. And your are is used with plural subjects like we, they and you also. ठीक है, हम are को you के साथ भी यूज करेंगे. I hope you have understood this thing. Okay. So now let's discuss some examples. Before discussing examples, let's discuss the rule. Add the helping verbs after the subject and ing to the root form of verb. तो helping verb आपको अपने subject के बाद लगानी है. So I'm writing it down here. Subject plus helping verb plus ing to the root form of verb. ठीक है? I hope you have understood this. So this is the formula here I have written. So you have to add the helping verb after the subject and after that you have to add ing to the root form of verb. ठीक है, जो भी आपका root form है verb का उसमें ing plus कर देना है. Okay. Okay. Examples are given below. So Reena is eating ice cream. Reena is eating an ice cream. So here Reena is one subject. ठीक है, Reena हमारा एक ही subject है. So that is why we have used is over here. And हमने इसको अपने subject के बाद लिखा है और हमने अपने root form of verb में ing लगाई है. ठीक है, our root form of verb was eat. We added ing to it. So it became eating. It became eating, isn't it? She is staying alone at home. She is again one subject. We added helping verb after this subject, which is used with singular subject. So it is used with she. Stay was my root form of verb. I added ing to it. ठीक है, she is staying alone at home. I am playing alone in the park. I के साथ हमेशा am यूज किया जाता है. ठीक है, and I added ing to the root form of verb which was playing. They are living happily. So you can see they is a plural subject. I used are with this. Live was my root form of verb. I added ing to it. So it became living. They are living happily. I hope you understood. Again, I would like to tell you कि present continuous tense उन events या उन actions की बात करता है जो चल रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, जो अभी हो रहे होते हैं, उस particular time पर हो रहे होते हैं. ठीक है, continuous tense. Past continuous. So this tense is used to show the events and actions which were taking place in the past at that time. ठीक है, at that time, at a particular time in the past. So दिस टेंस टेल्स अस अबाउट दोज इवेंट्स, ठीक है, उन इवेंट्स की बात करता है जो पास्ट में हो रहे थे, ठीक है, जो पास्ट में हो रहे थे. ओके, हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स यूज हियर वर एंड वॉज. अगेन वर इज यूज्ड विद प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स along with you, they, we and you, and this thing was is used with singular subject I. Was is also used with I, she, he, it. Along with I, it is used with singular subjects, all the singular subject. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now let's discuss the rule. Okay. Add the helping verb after the subject and ing to the root form of verb. तो आपको ये helping verb subject के साथ जोड़नी है. Subjects plus helping verb and ing to the root form of verb. And whatever your root form is of the verb, you have to add ing to it. So this is the rule for past continuous tense. Okay. Examples are listed below. They were jumping on the sofa. So you can see they is a plural subject. They हमारा plural subject है. That is why we use were over here. इसीलिए हमने इधर were use किया. Jumping. Jump was my root form of verb. I added ing to it. It became jumping. We were eating sandwich in the kitchen. You can see here कि ये सारी जो एक्टिविटीज थी, ये सारे जो एक्शंस थे, वो उस टाइम हो रहे थे, ठीक है, ये वो उस टाइम हो रहे थे. सो वी अगेन इज अ प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज व्हाई वी यूज वर ओवर हियर. Eat is my root form of verb and I added ing to it. It became eating. We were eating sandwich in the kitchen. Okay. I was sitting on the chair. So I के साथ हमेशा was यूज किया जाता है. Sitting. तो sit was my root form of verb. I added ing to it. It became sitting. She was plucking roses from the garden. So she is my singular subject. That is why I have used was over here. Pluck was my root form of verb. I added ing to it. It became plucking. ठीक है, I hope you all have understood past continuous tense. This is future continuous. Okay. This tense shows the events or actions which will be taking place in the future at that particular time. तो ये उन इवेंट्स की बात करता है जो फ्यूचर में हो रहे होंगे, ठीक है, हो रहे होंगे उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम में, ठीक है. सो दिस टेंस टेल्स अस अबाउट दोज इवेंट्स व्हिच विल बी टेकिंग प्लेस, ठीक है, जो हो रहे होंगे, जो उस समय जारी होंगे, जो उस समय प्रोग्रेस में होंगे. हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज हियर विल बी. जस्ट लाइक विल, जो कि सिंगुलर और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स दोनों के साथ यूज किया जाता है, विल बी भी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स दोनों के साथ यूज होता है. ओके ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस सम एग्जांपल्स. रूल्स. Before discussing examples, let's discuss the rules. Add helping verb after the subject and ing to the root form of verb. तो आपको helping verb add करना होगा अपने subject के बाद, ठीक है. helping verb add करना होगा अपने subject के बाद, ठीक है. Subject plus helping verb plus ing to the root form of verb. Okay. So this is a rule for future continuous tense. Okay. Examples are listed below. She will be going to the park for jogging by tomorrow. So you can see she is our singular subject. ठीक है, singular plural both के साथ will be ही आएगा future continuous में. Just like will, उसका भी काम will की तरह ही है जो कि simple future में यूज होता है. She will be going to the park for jogging by tomorrow. So we added will be after this subject and we added ing to the root form of verb. गो के साथ ing एंड जॉग के साथ ing, ठीक है। गो के साथ ing एंड जॉग के साथ भी ing हमने ऐड कर दिया। They will be joining our team very soon। तो ये सारे जो सारे इवेंट्स हैं, सारी एक्टिविटीज हैं, सारे एक्शंस हैं, वो उस समय हो रहे होंगे, ठीक है। They will be joining our team very soon। There is a plural subject, we have used will be here after the subject। Join is my root form of verb, I added ing to it। I will be doing my homework at home। तो I added will be after my subject, I was my subject, then I added ing to the root form of verb which was do, I added ing to it doing। I will be doing my homework at home। मैं अपना होमवर्क अपने घर पर कर रहा हूँगा, ठीक है। So if you really find this video amazing and of your use, then do subscribe my channel The Informative World for more such informative videos। Thank you for watching this video till the end।